From underneath the trees, watch the sky, confusing stars, satellites. I never dreamed that you'd.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Queens County in southeast New York, Nassau County in southeast New York, PASSAIC County in northeast New Jersey, Union County in northeast New Jersey, New York, Manhattan County in southeast New York, Bronx County in southeast New York, Westchester County in southeast New York, Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, Essex County in northeast New Jersey, Richmond, Staten Island County in southeast New York, Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, Kings, Brooklyn County in southeast New York, Rockland County in southeast New York, Putnam County in southeast New York, Eastern Orange County in southeast New York, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 mph. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Walden to 7 miles west of Bloomingdale to Milburn to 8 miles west of Plainfield to 20 miles southwest of Plainfield, or along a line extending from 6 miles north of Walden to 8 miles southwest of West Milford to East Hanover to 6 miles northwest of Middlesex to Princeton, and moving east at 40 mph. This line of storms has a history of producing damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure, and stay away from windows,